O midrang ba ka jalau kondat ke sangma mentak sengi ka arpo hendu tarik unai weng jalapsan ula pentip ba ka soka jela ka athir ya jaka jong Nongrep ha Mawkhanu na ka benta ban penhe ya ka sura shilong thumai ha bakran hadin ba wai ka kabinet u kondat roong ba ka jinghe jong ni ka jaka kalong Kumba saupo pra Akar ka badai trai khat nyungut Nongrep kat kum bijing om trang ba la thir ya ni ka jaka ka bujurep ka ba ni Nongrep ha ka do sos pa knai po ka 6 square foot kini kat nyungut Nongrep ga ade ketik Pynthor ke ba syak tenat oban affair ka soka jela ha Mawkhanu New Shillong Township ban penhe ya ni ka sot mai ni ka New Shillong Township la ong tinang ba.
The acquisition again of land in the Mawkhanu area. As you are aware that when we had gone ahead with the purchase of Mawkhanu, New Shillong Township area, there were paddy fields around in different locations. And at that point in time, the paddy field, the farmers had not agreed to give the land. But then now that the construction and the work and large projects are going forward, the discussion continued with the farmers, and the farmers have now 17 farmers were there. They have all agreed to directly now sell the land to the government because they are seeing the large projects that are happening out there. And after the discussion, they have agreed to the sale, and today the cabinet has approved the sale of these paddy fields that are there in patches in the Mawkhanu New Shillong Township area. Paddy field overall land is approximately about 48 acres, and it is coming to about 490 rupees per square feet. We have to give to the farmers directly. So there are 17 farmers, so the money will be given straight to the farmers. This is roughly about 30% lesser than the land acquisition rate that you would have to give. These are basically, so when we've taken the farmland, it's like, when we've taken the whole Mawkhanu land, so there were small patches of farmers, paddy fields were there. So earlier when we got this, we thought that we will leave them out and then we will, do the construction around the areas, and then we'll, kind of the thing. Because if you remember last time when New Shillong land was bought, that time in fact there was no contiguous land. There were plots being one plot here, two plots here, one plot here. So like that was bought. This time at least we got that contiguous plot. But in between there were small, as I said, paddy fields. But then when we started working on the whole thing, constructing the land, the roads, and large projects like the iconic project that's coming up, so we realized that it's making more sense to just have that whole area. So as I said, it's very difficult in Meghalaya to get that kind of land because it's just not available. People are not ready to give it even to government. So like it happened in the earlier purchase when it was done for the earlier Shillong New Township, the lands were bought in different patches, and in that case lands were very far away also. They were not contiguous. But in this case we got contiguous. But then there were small patches of paddy fields in there. So as I said earlier, we thought that fine, we will let the paddy fields go. We will not have any construction in that area. We'll allow the people to paddy. We'll have different lands here. We'll have a different project in this side. But as I said, when we started doing the larger scale of planning, we realized that, or we felt that, maybe it's making more sense for us to now have the whole thing, and the paddy field will be inconvenient for the people also. They also felt the same thing, and they also agreed when we said, look, can we come to some kind of a conclusion in this? So I think it's in the larger interest for the government as well as for the farmers that we are now seeing that the entire stretch with no spots, no dots at all, is going to be contiguous now with the government.